Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of watching your favorite shows on a subpar TV? Well, I've got the solution for you. The Sony 32-inch 720p HD LED HDR TV W830K series is a game changer. This incredible TV offers lightning-fast performance, Bluetooth connectivity, and stunning HD quality, all of which make for an unforgettable viewing experience. One of the things that really stands out about this TV is its HD picture quality, with crystal clear 720p resolution and a wide array of colors thanks to its HDR color and contrast feature. You'll feel like you're right in the action with the enhanced clarity and reduced noise, powered by X-Reality Pro. It's like looking through a window into another world. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among TV enthusiasts. The intelligent motion handling feature is also a major plus, giving you blur-free picture quality even in fast-moving sports and action-packed movies. With the premium Smart TV feature, you can stream all your favorite content from Netflix, Disney+, and more, and the Google Assistant makes it easy to find what you're looking for. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or just browsing through channels, this TV is sure to impress, and with its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. Overall, I highly recommend the Sony 32-inch 720p HD LED HDR TV W830K series. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality TV that won't break the bank, so why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.